Welcome to Not Milk Never Milk. Subscribe if you're lactose intolerant.
In this video, I will explain how to adjust your Kia Picanto steering wheel. It's important to know that the Kia Picanto does not feature a steering wheel with vertical or telescopic adjustment. Therefore, achieving your ideal driving position relies entirely on correctly adjusting your driver's seat. This method ensures you maintain optimal control and comfort while driving, making your journeys safer and more enjoyable. First, focus on your seat's distance from the pedals. Slide your seat forward or backward until you can comfortably press the pedals, ensuring there's still a slight bend in your knees even when the pedals are fully depressed. This crucial step prevents overextension of your legs and allows for quicker, more effective reactions while driving. Next, adjust your seat height to ensure a clear, unobstructed view of the road and your instrument cluster. Then, recline the seat back so you can comfortably reach the steering wheel with a slight bend in your elbows. Your shoulders should remain against the seat when gripping the wheel, promoting good posture and reducing fatigue on longer drives. To finalize your setup, extend your arms. Your wrists should comfortably rest on the top of the steering wheel. Double-check that you have full visibility of your instrument cluster. Finally, take a short drive to confirm that your adjustments provide optimal comfort and control. This ensures a safe and pleasant driving experience every time you get behind the wheel.
Thanks for watching. If this was helpful, leave a like and consider subscribing. See you next time.